In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Pipedrive. Custom fields let you tailor Pipedrive to your exact workflow so you can track the details that matter most to your business. Maybe you want a contract value on a deal, an industry on an organization, or a product tier on a person record. Here's how to set that up, clearly and confidently. First, log into Pipedrive. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile avatar. This opens your account options. From there, head into Personal Preferences, then choose Data Fields. This is the central place where all field management happens. On this page, you'll see a series of tabs for different object types, such as Deal or Lead, Person, Organization, Product, and Project. Think of these as the different homes where your field can live. Choose the one that matches where the information belongs. For example, if you want to capture something on every deal you create, select the Deal tab. If it's information about a company as a whole, choose Organization. Picking the right home ensures your field shows up exactly where you need it and is available in filters and reports for that record type. Inside the tab you selected, click the Plus Custom Field button. A pop-up window appears with a few key settings to define your field. Start with the field name. Enter a clear, descriptive label like contract value, renewal date, or lead source detail. Keep it concise, but make it unambiguous so your team knows exactly what belongs there. Consistent naming across your fields makes searching and reporting much easier. Next, choose the field type. This tells Pipedrive what kind of data you'll store and how you'll use it later. If the content is free-form words, pick text. For numerical values you might total or compare, choose number. Dates, like agreements or follow-ups, should use date. If you need a predefined list, such as region or priority, use single option, so users select from a controlled set. For items that may have multiple tags, consider a multi-select style if available in your plan. Selecting the correct type is important because it affects how you can filter, sort, and analyze the data across your pipeline. That's it. By logging in, navigating to Personal Preferences and Data Fields, choosing the right tab, clicking Plus Custom Field, and defining a clear name and type, you've created a tailored data point that fits your process. Take a moment to standardize your labels and pick types that support accurate reporting, and your custom fields will work hard for you from day one.